Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. This is a review on Covert, K-O-V-E-R-T, but it looks like K-I-O-Vert. So it's sort of interesting. I don't know. That's what it is. So this is Covert. Oh, sorry, I have itchy nose. Not COVID. All right. So itchy itchy nose. This is Covert, Covert review demo tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to walk through. I'm going to show you what bonuses I'm going to give you if you decide to pick it up from my link below. I'm going to show you how to get it for the best price. We're going to go through the sales page. We're going to go through the back office. I'll show you exactly what it is. I can actually show you some of the documents that are in there. They're really, really cool. I've been playing around with it. It's so simple to use, and it works very, very well. So it's a very, very cool product. All right, so first off, I've got a really special bonus for you that you're not going to get anywhere else. So let's jump over to my bonus page. So you can take a look at it here. There we go. Look at that. The bonuses are coming up already. And let me jump over here. All right. So the first bonus we're going to get you is the $200 per day on autopilot. It's a great program. I'll show you exactly how to get making the cash. We're going to get you access to Jono Armstrong's headline hack, which is how to write better headlines, which is what we all need to do. And you'll be able to use this with this system. This is one of the things I found in the training that wasn't quite there, and this is really going to help you. You've got 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. This is partly email marketing, so this is really going to help you take what you're learning in Covert and really make the conversions much bigger. We're going to show you some more timeless traffic. He's got great traffic strategies in Covert, and we're going to show you how to get even better traffic, more traffic. We've got a whole slew of vendor bonuses. Plus, I'm going to give you access to my unreleased new product. This is called Cheetah. This should be out. Well, when you're watching this, it might already be out. I'm right in the process of doing all the videos for it. What you're going to be getting is the actual raw working PDF of the whole system. So it's everything is there for you. You technically wouldn't have to go buy the product. If you want to buy the product, then you're going to get the video training all along with it. But you're going to just get the raw PDF to use and go put it to work. This is exactly what I do. And if you don't want anything, scroll all the way to the bottom down here and grab my 6-figure blueprint. Totally free. You don't have to do anything. Just click there and you'll get it. All right. So what is Covert? Covert is it's a system that Mark Bishop has been using. He's been developing it for about 10 months now, or 12 months, which is why he hasn't been around the launches. The system is a process, not software, which is designed to work completely from scratch. Genuinely, it requires no list, no existing assets, no experience. So basically, if you don't have anything to start with, which I'm actually helping a lot of people get set up, because I'm finding that people are going on to Warrior Plus, buying products, and then they have no clue how they work. They think they're just going to magically start producing income, which in essence, guys, all these products are just methods. You're just buying, you're folding time. You're buying these products that are going to teach you what to do instead of having to go learn them yourself. Some of them are software suites, and some of them like a marketing suite, which is very cool. Some of them have, all the sort of tools you need in them. But more than anything, it's about the method and the method that they're teaching. And a lot of them teach a similar method. They just have a different angle on it, and that's what it is. So this is a very cool angle. So Covert works on the value first basis, which involves giving away specially formatted Google Docs. We call them lead magnets, but he's gone in and done Google Docs. I've actually done training on this channel how to use Google Docs as lead magnets, especially on Facebook, because Facebook won't block anything on Google. So you use Google Doc to get your affiliate links out there. Giving away documents triggers an automatic process which begins pitching and selling on the user's behalf, using 2 phases. One, it focuses on one lead product and sell using a combination of elements, i.e. switch page, Google Doc, promotional docs, pitch page, and automated campaign, all of which is automated during the initial setup. So you set up everything, and it basically takes them through the process. So that is kind of what Covert is. Let's see, this is the back office, and this is the weird 5-minute Google Doc systems pays us $173.33 daily when we give just 1 Google Doc away for free. It's brand new, a unique system. Nobody else is doing it. We get paid over and over for the same Google Doc, even though we just give it away for free. I made $5,140 giving away just one Google Doc. Another 4,043 automatically from phase 2. We get results in 1 to 3 days. This isn't theory. It technically works. It looks like the video wants to play. So we're just going through the sales page, guys. Let's see. It's going to be a lot of the same sort of jargon. Question, is this real or yet another theory-based idea? I can categorically state that this system is not only 100% real, but used by myself and others due to the straightforward approach, simplicity, and due to the fact that it works from scratch in day one. It does, guys. Like I've already been playing around with it. It works. What about traffic? A system without traffic is not a workable system. In Covert, I'll show you where to get our buyer traffic. All Covert uses this traffic. I'll show you the results and explain how to start sending the traffic into your own Covert system so you can give the Google Doc away to hundreds, even thousands of people instantly, usually 1 to 3 days. So basically, guys, it's giving away a lead magnet that has your links in it. Now you could go out and build this, or you can just pay $17 and it's all done for you. So what's in the back office, guys? It's basically the whole marketing training. It goes through how it works. You will need a landing page and an autoresponder. That's how all of these work. Don't be afraid of that, because if you're if you want to make money online, this is what you're going to need. Now, I'll do a special thing for you if you want. If you do get this, then before you go sign up for any of those products, I will, if you sign up under my links on those products, like the ClickFunnels or Aweber, I will set it up for you. I will help you set up this system. Unless, of course, you buy the done for you system, then go and use Mark's links and he'll set that up for you as well. So that is the system, guys. Very simple. You just go through these simple steps, set it up and get it out there. What you're going to get, it looks something like this. This is the Google Doc that it's all done for you. Let's see. Here it comes. You're going to just be giving this simple thing away, guys. It's really, oh, sorry. It's just really slow in here in Google. Yeah, this is the doc that you're going to be giving. It's basically a long form sales letter. And you have to put whatever cover you want there. And you just give this away. And this triggers the whole funnel for you. And it's basically just a very, very cool system. That is the back office. That's the sales thing. Let's go through what you're going to be able to buy. What's it going to cost you, basically? Okay, so the front end is $17. So you get all the software and you get the training modules. The upsell number one, and this is really important, I would recommend grabbing this, is the campaigns. There's 10 ready-made profit copy campaigns. So what you do is you just get it, you put your affiliate link from the product in there, and it basically goes with you. And you get approval codes for the products. So it's all done for you for $47. The next one is the next one is the done for you. So they have 4 ready-made Google Docs, 4 ready-made switch pages, pitch pages with no video, pitch pages with voice, pitch pages with no voice, step-by-step training videos detailing. Like, customers get my $5,199 action takers. So that's really cool. That's $97. That's absolutely worth it, 100%. You get the Covert Traffic Max, $37. It includes his personal high yield traffic sources, full instructions and links, Stealth, Stack and Test, Covert Max. And then the last one is the Ultimate Agency, $77. And you get to make 90% commissions on Covert. So that's a very cool thing. So unlike typical reseller options offers, Covert Ultimate Agency utilizes the Covert system to promote and resell through the customer's affiliate link. Package include all the elements required in ready-made format. Requires users to add their own affiliate link, of course, edit name, etc., which will enable any user to set up and implement their reseller package within an hour or less. And like I said, guys, if you buy it through me and you use my links for these things, I will help you set up anything you want in here. In your ClickFunnels account or your Aweber account. I can actually show you a way, if you've got a brand new Aweber account, to be able to get people to opt in, so you don't have to get them to double what is it? Confirm, double confirm, whatever. All right, so that is it. Let me jump back on here. Here I am, 10-minute video, perfect. All right, so what's my thoughts about Covert? I think this is great. I love that. See, what's funny is that I was showing people how to do a very similar thing. I wasn't doing a long page sales video format, but I was showing people how to use a Google Doc to put an image and an affiliate link and then use that using social media traffic. This takes it like to the nth degree. So is it worth it to spend a couple $100 on this system? Absolutely. I 100% recommend it. This is something that is going to work today. It's going to work tomorrow. Google's not going away anywhere. People are looking for ways to make money online. And the more stuff you can give people, the more they're going to trust you and buy from you, so that when they're on your email list, when you say, hey, go buy this thing, like when I tell people on my email list, go buy Covert, they go buy it because they trust me, because I send them products, and I show them how to use these products, and I do reviews on these products. So this is just another way that you're able to give stuff to people, and they're going to start trusting you. So check out the link below. Click the link below. Grab it, grab the upgrades we talked about in there, and then message me, hit me up on social media, so on Facebook, and or email me, and then I will basically just, if you need help, just say, hey Glenn, just I need some help, and from there we'll get you started and get you set up. All right, guys, take care. I will see you in the Covert circle. Make sure you hit subscribe and a thumbs up, comment, or you can even comment here below and say, hey Glenn, I need some help getting this set up, and we'll go through it and we'll set it up for you. All right, guys. Cheers. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.